Welcome back to Automaz channel. Ready for the future of off-road adventure? Meet the 2025 Jeep Recon EV. Jeep is set to revolutionize the electric vehicle market with the highly anticipated 2025 Jeep Recon EV. Inspired by the Wrangler, this off-road SUV is designed to prove that electric power can conquer any terrain just as effectively as traditional gas-powered vehicles. While not intended to replace the iconic Wrangler, the Recon offers a refined and urban-friendly option for adventurers who crave Jeep's legendary off-road capabilities. Production is expected to start in late 2024, with deliveries beginning in early 2025. The 2025 Recon features a boxy, upright silhouette similar to the Wrangler, but with sleek lines and modern accents. It will have removable doors, a one-touch sliding roof, and openable rear quarter windows and back glass for an open-air experience. The lighted 7-slot grille and blue accents add sophistication, making the Recon stand out both on and off the road. Off-road essentials include BF Goodrich All-Terrain T / tires and rubber flooring, ensuring it's trail-ready from the start. It will proudly display trail-rated badges, and Jeep will offer a variety of accessories for customization, including decals and upgraded off-road hardware. Built on the STLA large platform, the Recon is expected to deliver around 350 miles of range on a single charge, with a dual-motor drivetrain providing power. This setup leverages Jeep's experience with the electrified Wrangler for XE plug-in hybrid and Magneto concepts. The STLA large platform also suggests a more refined on-road experience compared to the body-on-frame Wrangler, potentially featuring independent suspension for improved comfort and handling. Pricing for the Recon EV is estimated to start around $60,000, with a possible range of $5,000 in either direction. This positions the Recon as a premium offering, likely competing with the Land Rover Defender. Jeep CEO Antonio Filosa has confirmed that the Recon's first full year of production will be 2025, with the production model expected to be unveiled in late 2024 and deliveries starting in early 2025. The 2025 Jeep Recon EV represents a bold new chapter in Jeep's history, set to prove that electric power can tackle the toughest trails. With its combination of Wrangler-inspired design, advanced EV technology, and Jeep's renowned off-road capabilities, the Recon is sure to attract a new wave of adventurers to the brand. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting new addition to Jeep's lineup.